Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to translate any video into any language with artificial intelligence, and it's free and it will be on your own voice. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To translate your video in any language, you have to go to Rask.ai site, and here I have a test video. I'm going to play this video. Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to save as any WebP image as JPG or PNG on desktop PC. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. I'm going to translate this video voice into French language. Now go to Rask.ai and click on try it free and simply sign up with Google and then click on continue. Tell us about yourself. What is your role? Click on choose here. You can select anyone from here. I am selecting others and type anything here. I am typing student, and then click on next question and choose. I am choosing video for my blog and then click on next. Again, I am selecting YouTube and then click on next. Do you want to stay updated on our latest feature? Currently I don't need. Click on no, and here you will find a button upload video. Click on upload video. Now first of all, click on choose a file or drag and drop it here, and I am just drag and drop my video here, and then the project name, I'm going to type the project name IT System Admin, and then original language, that is English, and translate to. Click here and select the language French FR, and then click on translate. Uploading is going on. You have to wait just few minutes. Transcripting video, generating video, and translation done. And here the translated video, and you will find the original video here. Go to translated video, and I'm going to test. Click on play button.
Bonjour chers amis, bienvenue sur notre chaîne de tutoriels IT et technologie de l'information faite pour vous. Dans ce tutoriel, je vais vous montrer comment enregistrer n'importe quelle image OFP au format JPG ou PNG sur un PC de bureau. Il est parfois crucial pour vous. N'oubliez donc pas de visionner la vidéo en entier.
You will find your all translation transcript here, and if you need, you can edit or you can make any change. I am simply editing a text and click on translate here. Changes is translating, and after editing, I am playing again.
Bonjour chers amis, bienvenue sur notre chaîne de tutoriels IT et technologie de l'information faite pour vous. Dans ce tutoriel, je vais vous montrer comment enregistrer n'importe quelle image OFP au format JPG ou PNG sur un PC de bureau. Il est parfois crucial pour vous. N'oubliez donc pas de visionner la vidéo en entier.
Now click on apply changes, and then you can download your translated video. Click on download button here and select the video, and translated video MP4. Click here. Video is downloading, and download finish. Now I'm going to check. Go to downloads. This is the translated video. I'm going to play the video.
Bonjour chers amis, bienvenue sur notre chaîne d'apprentissage en informatique pour les administrateurs de systèmes. Dans ce tutoriel, je vais vous montrer comment enregistrer n'importe quelle image OFP au format JPG ou PNG sur un PC de bureau. Il est parfois crucial pour vous. N'oubliez donc pas de visionner la vidéo en entier.
And then my video translation is successfully done in French language. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.